before long. Even the drought-riddled south has a 70% chance of some rain by the weekend. Now in the north we've had rain today as that area of low pressure moved across, brought in those weather fronts, but it's the ones out here to the west as they move in towards us later on Friday and over the weekend. It's those, I think, that will bring most parts of the country some welcome rain. Well, welcome at least for most of you. There's the rain we've had today, quite wet weather across Scotland, and that's been easing southwards into southern Scotland, into parts of Northern Ireland during the course of the afternoon. And we've seen one or two showers scattered around across England and Wales, but they've been fairly light and patchy. Here again you can see them. This is the band of cloud that's interesting though, lying across the north of the country. It's wrapped around that area of low pressure. The low itself is going to move across towards southern Scandinavia. As it does so, the isobars will open out, the winds will ease off, and that means to say that that band of rain is going to eventually grind to a halt, probably through southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. Clearer weather though coming into the northern half of Scotland, one or two showers in the far north there, and staying dry in the more central and southern parts of the country, although I think there will be some cloud spilling across later on. Quite mild in most parts, down to about 4 degrees in the broken cloud in the south, and about 3 or 4 degrees as the cloud breaks in the north. Central and northern Scotland tomorrow, a bright day with some sunshine, one or two showers, there's wintry in the north. Southern Scotland, Northern Ireland and the far north of England staying generally cloudy, I think, with some outbreaks of rain. Light and patchy to begin with, some heavier bursts though coming along later on, and some of that rain easing southwards during the course of the day, eventually getting into North Wales, the North Midlands, and then come evening time, some coming into the West Country as well. But for most of the Midlands, East Anglia and the South East, any early morning cloud will break up and the sun should come through to have a quite warm day, 15 or 16 or so. In the rainier areas in the north though, I think it'll feel fairly cold, especially in Shetland as well. And then that northeastern part of the country on Friday stays bright and dry, but we are going to find a good deal of cloud across the rest of the country. A little bit of rain around to begin with, and I think some heavier bursts coming across the country during the course of the day, followed in the southwest by some brighter and drier weather. And then on Saturday it looks as if those outbreaks of rain will work their way up across the rest of the country, allowing bright